In this video, let's talk about an amazing trading opportunity on Boeing stock for a month out call option. In this video, I want to take a look at the technical analysis. We're talking about the monthly, the weekly, the daily time frame, the support, the resistance, the RSI, and then I want to talk about the option and the profit calculator, as well as go over some trading lessons. So recently we have been pretty much killing it. We had a very nice 80% gain on Nvidia as we made many videos on our previous plays. But I want to talk about a little bit about Snowflake in this video. But overall, doing pretty decent. We're still swinging Nvidia and swinging Apple, but if you guys do want live buy and sell alerts, premium chat, as well as smart money concept, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description. Now let's get started with Boeing right over here. Let's take a look at the monthly chart over here. We're gonna start with the bigger picture right here, and the bigger picture is that we had this level of support, we have this resistance, and we have really been just trading sideways ever since COVID. The first thing that I want to take a look at is the RSI. Now the RSI is pretty low, and it is really rare for the RSI to hit the complete oversold levels. The only time we hit the oversold levels were in the 2008 financial crisis and the COVID recession. But we can take a look here where the RSI is pretty low, so we just have to be aware of that. It is not the lowest, but taking a look at from a historical perspective, it is pretty low. So the RSI is saying that we are very much oversold. If you take a look at the monthly time frame, each candle is going to be a month, and this setup is on the monthly time frame. So I'm definitely taking 1 month out on our call options. Okay, 1 month out on the calls. I think we are going to be needing a lot of time, especially because of theta and how Boeing trades. Now if we take a look over here, we have this level of support, we have this resistance. We really just need to hold this level of support, and we are at this level of support. Things are going to be looking a little bit better here on the weekly time frame right here. Okay, we really need to hold these candles at this level of support, and we can see when we hit this level of support, we get a very nice move to the upside. So I did buy in my call options here today for a month out, and I think 1 month is going to be a nice time. So what I usually like to do is I like to go to TradingView, and I want to take a look at the vertical line, and then I want to put my expiration, okay, whatever my expiration is for the contract. So this is how much time I have. Okay, around November 15th is the expiration that I got. This is how much time I have for Boeing. Okay, so this way I can kind of visualize the contract, visualize the price action. So this is how much we have room for us to hit the level of support and to bounce. So we want to play a quick bounce off of the level of support right here. We can take a look at here at the price action for Boeing. Again, this theta and this consolidation, this is why I got a month out on Boeing calls. For example, with Snowflake, a previous video that we made a previous video on it, and today I got out for a 111% gain. But this was our entry right here, and we were pretty much just trading sideways. We hit 40%, but then we were just bouncing and trading sideways between the zones. But then I did have a month out of time on our contracts. If I zoom in, right over here, 111%, but we could see that we had a lot of time, and this is how we got a 111% gainer, because we waited out. Theta was on our side, we had a month out calls, and eventually we broke out to the upside. So this is very important for Boeing, and that is the reason why I got a month out. I just want to play a quick bounce right over here. Now we're taking a look at the price action right here, and once Boeing does get a bounce, it pretty much moves a lot, and it moves fast and quick. Okay, so just taking a look at here, just historically, we're talking about, just a 10% conservative gain to the upside on the stock. So we're talking about 10% gain, which is a resistance right over here, $163, which is going to be our conservative price target. Now, depending upon when we hit this level, whether it is this week or in a month, it is going to depend on whether it's going to be an 80% gain or the lowest being 52% gain. So the risk to reward is looking amazing. Stop loss being the close below of 146, 150 also being a very nice mental level. So we just need to hold the $150 level right here for Boeing, and we just want to play this bounce, just a quick in and out, just like we did with Snowflake, playing this bounce off the level of support. For Boeing, I just want to play the bounce here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. We've been doing very, very well, and this is also going to be one of those plays where we hold on for a couple days and couple weeks, like our play on Nvidia, Apple, and Snowflake. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking.